Hello, I'm Ekaterina Kharseeva, UX researcher at Markswebb, a UX intelligence and consulting firm. We help digital products make evidence-based decisions and deliver better experiences faster. Welcome back to our series on UX problem classification. At Markswebb, we have classified the most common UX problems that digital services face. Today, we will talk about UX issues that make users perform too many actions. In our UX problem classification, it's class number 3. More specifically, we will focus on subclass 3.4. Unnecessary actions are required to see results or receive feedback from the service. This subclass is dedicated to problems that occur when a user completes an action in a service and expects reaction or feedback, but the service doesn't provide it automatically. The simplest way to understand this class is through the lens of success screens and confirmations. For example, after completing a transaction, a user might need to manually reload the screen to see the updated balance. This problem can occur in any interface area where users expect an automated reaction from the service. Such automation should not undermine the user's sense of control, but rather serve as a logical finish of their action. Subclass 3.4 is about poor outcomes. The user is forced to apply extra effort to confirm the action or understand its status. When feedback is missing or delayed, users may feel uncertain and distrustful. They are left wondering whether the action was successful or if they need to repeat it. Let's look at a simple use case. Imagine a user begins signing up for the app of financial service Robinhood, but doesn't have their social security number readily available. First, the user completes step 1 by verifying their phone number. Then, the user moves to the next step and enters their personal information, such as date of birth, residential address, and country of citizenship. But midway though, the user realizes they need to find their social security number to complete the registration. They pause for a couple of minutes, then come back, and everything they entered is gone. In this situation, the user has to re-enter all previously filled out information. This issue highlights the system's inability to keep data saved, even for short durations like 5–10 minutes. However, users often face distractions or need to pause during data entry to handle personal matters. Re-entering the same information repeatedly leads to irritation and increases the risk of abandoning the registration process. Now let's compare that to what DKB, famous German bank, does. DKB demonstrates an effective approach to simplifying the registration process in banking applications. After gathering all personal data in step 1, the application allows users to create a login in step 2, enabling them to save their entered data and pause the process if needed. What's important is that the application clearly informs users that they can pause at any time and that the application data will be saved for 6 months. DKB's solution allows users to return to the process when they are fully prepared without losing any data. This flexibility reduces frustration and greatly increases the likelihood of successful registration. Now let's talk about how can we make digital services more predictable for users and reduce the effort they need to apply. First, provide immediate automated feedback after each user action. For example, filters update in real time, balances refresh automatically. Secondly, show clear confirmation states for completed tasks, for example, success screens. Then, allow users to save progress and resume later, instead of forcing full repetition to verify success. Finally, ensure system status is always visible and up to date, so users never need to reload or recheck manually. Thank you for watching Markswebb channel, and let's keep working together to build better user experiences.